Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. So today I'll be doing the crackled fall foliage painting, and this is something new that I have tried and I hope that you will like it too. So basically I'm going to use all the leftover paints that I have from my previous pours. They are tiny bit, but I wanted to use them all, and since they are almost resembling fall colors, so I planned to do the fall foliage. And this is a flip cup, but it is going to be with a twist because I am aiming for the effect of cell within a cell within a cell. And in a while I'll show you that what I mean by that effect. So to start with, I just coated the canvas with all the white paint, and the paint proportions, usually I keep 1 part paint to 2 parts floetrol, and depending on the technique that I'm working on, I add water to get the desired consistency. After covering the canvas with the white paint, I'm going to add all the colors in a cup and flip it onto this white canvas. So when I'm mixing all these colors, I know that many of them are complementary colors and they can lead to a little brown effect or a muddy effect at few places, but that is completely fine because that's what I am aiming for. Because in the fall foliage, usually there are bright colors, and then the leaves that are falling off, they are little brownish and a muddy effect is there. So I didn't separate any of these layers with a white paint and dumping all the colors in. And even if a few of the paints were not the exact same consistency, it was still okay because it's a flip cup, and sometimes different consistencies leads to a nice effect. So once I have my cup ready with all the paints in, I flip it onto the canvas and let it sit over there for some time for the swells to develop. And after tilting the cup, I torched it. And if you can see right now what I meant by single cell formation, so if there are purple cells, they are all purple in color. It's not like a purple and then a yellow in between, and orange in between, a red in between, not like a circular layered cells, like cell in between a cell. So in order to get that effect, I'm going to try blowing the paint so that the white comes on the top, and I'm going to show you in a second. For right now, I am also going to leave a negative space on one side of the canvas just to give it a nice feel. So once the canvas is tilted and there is a negative space on one side, I blow it out. This gives a very nice, delicate feel, a whimsical feel. Like the second leaf, if you can see how beautifully it has shown up, because the white from the bottom it comes up when you blow, and it gives a very super cool effect of this leaf, which has lot of different colors. And I did like 5 leaves, 3 in the middle, the long ones, and 2 on the side, the little ones. And if you see right now what I meant by cell in a cell, I will just show you few places and zooming it in. If you see over here, it is like orange and then a yellow and then a green and then a red, like cell in a cell in a cell. And at many places I got this very cool effect, which I'm loving it. So I can leave it like that, but I just wanted to add little bit of highlights to show that these are the leaves and there are streaks in those leaves. My craft stick dipped in black paint, I'm just defining the shapes to just give few highlights and for the leaves to pop up. It also gives it a very feathery look, as if there are feathers. And I'm quite happy with the outcome, and I hope you like this, a different twist and a different feel to this outcome. So once this painting dried up all and I applied a thick coat of it, not a thin coat but a little thicker coat, because I wanted it to intentionally get crackled. I was just trying my luck, because with this fall foliage I wanted that crackly feeling on the top, and it could be a hit or a miss, because if it cracks too much it's gonna look really bad, and if it cracks a little bit then it will add to the beauty of this painting. And I was so lucky that it dried up exactly the same way that I wanted. It crackled or creased at only very few places. It's all varnished, very glossy and shiny, and I really love this cool effect. So I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and if you like the contents of the channel then please subscribe. It really means a lot to me, all your support. And if you liked this video then please give it a thumbs up and leave me any comments or questions that you might have, and I'll be looking forward to see you in my next video. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.